How to fix TikTok no internet connection error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First of all, you want to launch open your device settings. Once you get here, you want to find the option of connections. Tap on that. Now select Wi-Fi. Here you want to make sure that you are connected to a secure internet. If your internet is not working, you want to switch with data and check. Next thing you want to do is scroll all the way down. Here find the option of software update. Make sure that you have updated to the latest software. Once that is confirmed, head back. Now, make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are, simply disconnect that. Open up TikTok and check if your error is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to launch open Play Store. Here search TikTok. If you find the option of update, select that. Once it has been updated, launch open TikTok and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then the last thing you can do is simply uninstall TikTok, then reinstall it from here and your issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.